One of the manual equipment used in housekeeping is broom that we call jhadu in Hindi. It consists of long and stiff fibers like bristles gathered and tied together with a handle. Some brooms you also find without handle. Some brooms are normally tied, some are slipped into metal rings, and in some type of brooms we insert the bristles into plastic or metal pipe. Generally, we use brooms to sweep the floor. Now talking about the different parts, this lower part is what we call bristles, and bristles are tied or sewn together with handle with the help of metal coil or some strings. This complete lower part is also called broom head. Based on the stiffness of bristles, these kind of brooms are divided into two categories: soft brooms and hard brooms. Soft brooms have soft bristles which are suitable for hard smooth surfaces such as corn fiber or grass brooms. In market, plastic and synthetic fibers soft bristle brooms are also available. It's easy to sweep the floor perfectly to remove even fine dust and hair. Now talking about hard broom. These brooms comparatively have hard or stiff bristles such as coconut brooms, bamboo stick brooms, etc. These type of brooms are used on rough surfaces, especially outdoor surfaces with cracks and crevices. Also useful in cleaning rough ground and stiff sweeping jobs like garden leaves, cleaning between stones, etc. The best part is that you can clean both dry and wet surfaces with these hard brooms. Another advantage is that it can clean large areas very quickly. Well, this was all about brooms basic. Some other types of brooms available in the market comes with a brush-like structure attached with a handle. This lower part we call brush, and handle is also called shaft. On the top of handle we also find a hook to hang in storage closet. Before proceeding with other types of broom, please note, these types might be debatable as some academicians include these types in types of brushes with handle. Nowadays the traditional brooms are copied in plastic brush forms. First one is push broom. These brooms have wider base area which makes it an excellent choice for sweeping dirt, dust and debris in large areas such as warehouses, garages and cafeterias. Upright broom. These brushes have bristles in the same line as the handle, which makes it easy to use into tight spaces. Angle broom. It is similar to upright broom but its bristles are cut at an angle. Angled bristles make it an ideal choice for small and tight spaces where there are many corners. Wall broom. Sometimes also called ceiling broom, they have a soft head or long handle made up of canes. These are used to remove cobweb as well as dust from cornices, ceilings and high ledges. Hand broom. Hand brooms comes with a small handle and perfect for spot cleaning or small space. Nowadays plastic hand brooms usually come with a dustpan that the broom will snap into. Again, I am telling you it's debatable. Some people consider it as brush with pan. There is nothing wrong in it. Whisk broom. Normally we don't use this kind of broom, especially not in hotel, but for your knowledge, this broom has fan-like shape with a small handle or a knob to grip. It is ideal for sweeping a pile into a dustpan or reaching into small corners. Some also use it as duster or to brush down clothing. Now for the fun fact, we also have water broom. It actually does the water washing and typically used in food industry where water works better. It is ideal for garage, sidewalk or patio. Avoid using it on soft floor as it may damage it. Care and cleaning of brooms. Second, free of dust, fluff after every cleaning. Don't use brooms on wet surfaces, especially soft brooms. But stiff brooms like coconut fiber can be used on wet surfaces but must be cleaned afterward thoroughly. Using saline water is recommended. After cleaning, dry it in open air or in sun before storing. Don't store brooms standing on their bristles or the bristles will bend out of shape, resulting in inefficient cleaning. For storage, brooms should be either stored lying horizontally or hanging bristles downward. Well guys, that was all about the brooms. If you have missed any of the video in this series of housekeeping cleaning equipment, check the I button in between, or I'll also provide the link in the description below. So for more such videos, stay tuned on Hospitality Broadcast. Also follow me on Twitter and Instagram.